Welcome back, guys. Crypto4Life channel. Today we'd like to talk about Alpaca USDT trading pair with my customer set updates. So guys, just be careful today. First of all, Alpaca pump it, but I want to show you the example what happened with Reef. Because maybe somebody missed the announcement about delisting on a Binance. So 2nd May, the Alpaca will be delisted from the Binance on the spot. On other exchanges, this token will be still available for trades, even on spot or futures. But today, in the next, I guess, 3 hours, the Binance will automatically close all perps positions. So just be careful. Highly recommend you guys go and double check all announcement about this token on Binance. You don't need to go to the website about announcement. You just open the trading pair on a spot or on futures on a Binance and read about it, read that announcement. Congrats everybody who took a risk, with Alpaca, because this is so often happened. Here, 3,000% gains, even more. Here, 3,000% gains. Nobody could predict, guys. So this token will pump like this one. Of course, I waited the pump like 1,000. Yes, it was so obvious, right? Here I shorted, then I closed the short position. Here's a yearly open and global chart, guys. You remember around here I posted the Alpaca bull run plan, and I marked the weekly gap. So this one done. Mark this liquidity pool done. Next one is here. It's a weekly favorable gap at $1.66. Liquidity pool and the full field $2.15. Can we pump so high? Basically, yes. But guys, based on news, based on announcement, no makes sense to gamble and try by luck get some profit in long position or buying on the spot, guys, because it will be like 7,000% gains. Better, guys, if you're not sure, for this token, better skip this one. Also, guys, if you won't believe, so this token will dump after the listing, I recommend you just check the Reef chart. I'm not comparing the two tokens, but take a look. This was a liquidity pool, right? And this is a Reef. So this was a liquidity pool. Kind of same story for Reef. At that time, here was an announcement about delisting. Here was a pump in a few weeks. That time, Reef pumped it in a few weeks. So Alpaca pumped it just 1, 2, 3 in 3 weeks. Reef pumped it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 in 8 weeks, and 1,800%. What happened next? Here, daily. Do you think something will be different with the Alpaca, or it's going to be totally another story? Guys, just be careful. If you are still in a long position, better, guys, fix some profit. It will be not a mistake. Don't be trapped with the FOMO, with the greed. Sometimes better fix some profit out. And I'm basically now open kind of with a third leverage, tiny liquidation. So liquidation so far with a small amount of money, short position on a max for Alpaca. Because in next 3 hours, I guess, it's possible to see the drop on a Binance when the Binance will close all position, even it's a long or short. So on other exchanges, we can't know how the price react, right? But guys, I can say is something positive for this token. 3,000% gains, guys, from this low, right? Imagine, just in 3 weeks. So just be careful, because it was absolutely the same story and dump. What happened next with this token? Take a look on these candles. So this is a daily candle, guys. If you still believe the market move by organic orders, here it is. So this absolutely the amazing example, how everything, what we see on the chart, controlled by bots, by soft and the bots. So this is 1 hour time frame. Do you think this is organic move? I'm not sure. 5-minute time frame. This is how the candles looks like with the bots, but without market makers. So that's it, guys. I'll recommend you double check the video about market makers. With indicator set, guys, ATZ direction market mode here. This is a daily time frame. Here was accumulation for Alpaca around 4 cents. This one, the wait and see pump I showed you before. Here's a top, here's a low, but huge divergence on a daily. Here's a total madness every year. So guys, there is no bullish signal. Is it possible to pump to $1.60? Yes, yes it is. But guys, I'm better skip this token and try to open some short position, you know, with that amount of money, what I can afford to lose, right? Because risk ratio now can be so good. For example, it can be like, I don't know, 90%. So with third leverage, it could be like around 300% profit. So it's okay. Trade on, buy, pump, take profit, sell, drop, nothing. 12 time frame, sell, nothing. 4 time frame, nothing yet. Here was a signal to buy, take profit, now nothing. So guys, just be careful, and I highly recommend you go and check the announcement. Money power, take a look. The money inflow here was a money inflow. RSI, a bullish divergence, MACD bullish divergence, MACD bullish divergence, RSI bullish divergence, pump. Money outflow. Now no money outflow, but soon we will see, I guess. Here step by step the wells fix a profit. And 4 time frame, I guess soon we will see when in the next few hours the 4-hour candle will close and we will see some fixation here. 1, 2, 3 hours in a row, somebody fix a profit. So just be careful, guys. Take profit indicator here. Weekly, we trade way over exit line. Monthly, no data. Monthly, no data. Weekly here. Daily, of course, absolutely way over. And take a look here. For the while, buy line for this token at 6 cents. 12 time frame, 5 cents one. 4 time frame, the same story, 7 cents. So guys, there is no bullish signal now. But of course, up to you. Up to you. If you want to gamble with this token long, you can do this one. I try to open short, and I totally understand, guys. I can get the liquidation or the kind of like a stop loss if we go higher to $1.70 in the next 3 hours. Of course, I totally understand. If I got like liquidation for that small amount of money, I will reopen position again. Because Alpaca, I guess it's not that type of token like Monero, which recover back and move higher without a Binance, without a liquidity. I think it will be the story of Reef, but of course I can be wrong. Middle term targets, even from the bull run plan for Alpaca, reach it, even with delisting announcement. So guys, I hope you like this video. Right? Please in a comment what do you think about Alpaca. Now, are we going down or we go to $2? Right? Please in a comment.